Take a boat tour on the Tonle Sap and Tonle River in Cambodia. Boat tours on the Tonle Sap and Tonle River offer one of Cambodia's most unique and memorable experiences. On the Tonle Sap, Southeast Asia's largest freshwater lake, visitors can explore floating villages, stilted houses, and vibrant fishing communities that adapt to dramatic seasonal water level changes. The journey provides an authentic look into local livelihoods, ecosystem, diversity, and traditional culture. Along the Tonle River, which connects the lake to Phnom Penh, boat tours offer peaceful views of rural landscapes, riverfront pagodas, and daily life along the riverbanks. Sunset cruises in Phnom Penh provide beautiful city skyline views, including the Royal Palace and Riverside promenade. Whether on a small wooden boat or a comfortable cruise vessel, tours on both waterways combine nature, culture, and scenery for a relaxing and enriching Cambodian experience.